Come in.
Hey, Dave.
Oh, what's up, Andrew?
How you doing?
Fine, just a little bored. Just watching some movies.
Yeah?
Falling asleep.
Oh, I brought some beer.
Beer? What kind of beer?
Some Two Brothers Monarch White beer.
Doesn't that stuff only come out in March? It's January.
Well, you see, Dave, I bought this last year, and I stockpiled it, so I have it all year.
Really?
Yeah, it's really delicious.
Wow, I can't wait to try some.
Well, yeah, let me give you some. Here you go.
That's good beer. This is very exciting.